हेलो एवरीवन, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू मेक पनीर चीज़ पफ। सो उसके लिए मैंने यहाँ पे 250 ग्राम्स मैदा लिया है एंड फर्दर आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड अराउंड 1 bowl ऑफ होल व्हीट फ्लोर। सो आई ऐड 1 bowl ऑफ होल व्हीट फ्लोर बिकॉज मैं जो भी बनाती हूँ आई ऑलवेज इंश्योर कि मैं थोड़ा उसमें व्हीट फ्लोर ज़रूर ऐड करूँ अपार्ट फ्रॉम मैदा। Now in this flour I'm further going to add ghee. So I'll add little ghee to it. So around 2 spoons of ghee, and then little salt. So little salt I'm adding, and then I'll take water to make a dough. Just mix them all like this, and then I'll take water, little water, to knead the dough. So this way I have mixed it with my hand itself, and then little water to knead the dough. So I'm going to make a dough for it. Now this dough is ready, so I'll keep it and cover it for around 15 minutes. So I'll cover it for 15 minutes. Now for the stuffing purpose, I have taken around half kg of paneer, crushed paneer. In that I'm going to add onion. After onions are added, I'll add tomato, coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves, and green chili, and then salt. And then I'm going to mix them all. Now see, this is mixed. Also we'll add cheese slices, so we'll add it later on, but for stuffing purpose I have mixed them all. 15 minutes is over. Now I'll remove the cover, and we are going to knead the dough once again. So we will knead this dough once again, so like this. And now I'll divide it into 4 parts. I have divided into 4 portions. Now we will roll it. Now this way I have rolled it. Now I'm going to apply butter on it. So what I did, I had taken Amul butter and I kept it outside from the fridge, and then it got melted. So I'm going to use that butter. See, now I'm going to apply it on one side, the melted butter or ghee if you have, and then I'm going to pick this side like this, and I'm going to fold it like this. Similarly the other side also I'm going to apply the butter on it, and the other side also I'm going to fold it up like this. Then I'll apply butter again on the half of it, either of the side, either this side or that side we can apply, and then again we are going to fold it up slowly. Slowly we are going to fold it up. So this way we have folded now. Now again now we'll apply little butter at the center, and we will fold it like this and little butter here, and we will fold it like this. So this way our dough is ready. Now we will put the dough for around 15 to 20 minutes in fridge to settle it down. So I'll keep it in fridge to settle it down. So this way I have made 4 parts. Now we need to put it in fridge for around 15 to 20 minutes, all of them. And now 15 minutes is over, so I have taken out it from fridge, and now I'm going to pick one by one and I'm going to roll it again. Now I did little dusting and I'm going to roll it once again. Now this way I have rolled it. Now I'm going to make it a perfect rectangle, so I'll cut out these areas to make it a perfect rectangle. So see, I have made it in a rectangle shape. Now I'll cut it into parts. So I'll cut it into parts. So like this, I'm going to cut it. Similarly, like this, I will cut it. So I have cut it into 3 parts. Now to each part we'll do the filling. So what we are going to do, we are going to take our paneer stuffing which we made, and we are going to put it like this way. Now I have kept it on the length of the sheets. See, like this way I have put stuffing on all of 3 of them, and then I'm going to add cheese slices also. So I'll put cheese slices, and I'm going to then fold it. Okay, and we are going to press it at sides. So we'll slowly press it at the sides like this. After that we'll take one fork and we'll do like this to lock the sides. So we are going to lock it. This way. Similarly we'll do to the other one also. Now I'm going to shallow fry this. Now to shallow fry them, I have taken one small pan and I'm going to apply butter on it. See, I have applied the butter on it, and slowly I'm going to put all them here. Now this way I have kept on the pan for shallow fry. We are going to cook it on low to medium flame to get it crispy. So see, I have kept them all like this. Now we'll apply little butter on the upper side of it like this, and then we'll turn it up if it has the other side, if it has turned brown. So I have applied butter on upper side also. Now I'm going to turn it up if other side has turned brown. Now see, I have turned it, all of them. Other 2 I'm going to cook it once again, but I have turned it once. So, and we'll apply butter once again. Now see, the color of both the sides has turned brown, so it is ready to be removed. Now we'll remove it from the pan. Now our cheese paneer puff is ready. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and share this. Thank you.